ATL Uncut. I'm live. It's snowing out here. I'm at Walmart. I had to park all the way to y'all see. I had to park all the way to the back. Every parking space is full. Tried to run me over, Jared did too. It's coming down like it's about to stick. I'm gonna go in here and pick up a couple of things out of Walmart. I'm just saying y'all be safe out here. Cause this weather getting real bad. It's like 12 degrees right now. So the snow can't melt because it's too cold. So I'm just saying you might want to, I understand you got to go pick up a couple things. I'm at Walmart right now. And you want to come pick up a couple things, I understand. But man, it's snowing out here. Let me see, can y'all see my camera? You can't even see the snow through the camera. But I'm at Walmart. It's packed. It's packed like crazy. Look at the snow. Man, it's coming down heavier now. Snow coming down here. Oh man, there's some big flakes. Wow, it's about to be a I had to avoid the car. I had to avoid the car right there. It's about to be a bad storm. I'm at Walmart. Go pick up a couple of things. Man, man, this snow coming down. It's big flakes now. It was small flakes. Let me show y'all how big these big flakes. Big flakes now. So I'm saying again, y'all, it's snowing out here. It's snow getting bad. Small flakes now, big flakes. I'm going to Walmart and couple things. See, can I get out of here? Cause it's so damn packed. What the hell? They didn't cut out one. They didn't blocked off one. Look at this. They didn't blocked off one entrance to the store. God dog. 12 degrees. Packed in here. But I'm just going live telling y'all, man, the weather bad. Y'all might want to stay off the road, stay at home. You can, but shit, I had to get out, get me a couple of things to eat, and then I'm just gonna chill. Try to stay warm. But I'm going live for a few minutes, and packed this store here. I might be in here for a minute, just in line, because not everybody last minute shopping. I was just going on here for a while, show y'all that, tell y'all the snowing outside. You might want to be safe. What's up, cuz? I see you. I'm gonna tell y'all just be safe. I'm gonna pick up me some groceries at the store, and I'm just gonna chill out. Y'all be safe.